further know about plate tectonics, let me show you a glimpse of forces behind the motion of plates, and it was convection current, where magma is heated by the core, rises to the Earth's surface, and results to the movement of plates. Types of plate boundaries are divergent, convergent, and transform fault boundaries. First type of plate boundaries is divergent. These plate boundaries are observed to be moving apart as a result of upwelling of new materials from the mantle that creates new seafloor and made ocean ridges. Next is convergent plate boundaries, and it is divided into three types. First is continental to continental. Since they are both low in density, so subduction will not able to happen, but it will end up to crashing to each other and rocks go upward and downward, and will result to new geologic features which is formation of mountain ranges. One example of result of these convergent plate boundaries is Himalayas. Another type of convergent plate boundaries is oceanic to continental, where subduction is happen. An oceanic crust will be the one to subduct because it is more dense than continental crust. In average, oceanic crust has 3.0 density, while 2.7 is an average density of continental crust. As subduction process continue, the materials will melt into a magma, and magma will rise up into the Earth's surface, and forming another geologic features which is the volcanoes. And it also associate with geologic events which is earthquake. Last type of convergent plate boundaries is oceanic to oceanic, where subduction also happen, but since they are the same oceanic lithosphere, the older one will be the one to subduct because older oceanic lithosphere have colder rocks which is more dense than warm rocks. Once again, the subduction materials will melt and magma will go upward and result into creation of another geologic features which is volcanic island arc. These plate boundaries also associate with geologic events like earthquake and even tsunamis and tidal waves. Last plate boundaries is transform fault boundaries. These plates are observed to pass each other laterally. Transform fault belongs to the linear breaks along continental margin, called fracture zones. As these plate boundaries continually sliding each other, it will make vibration or shaking of plates, which result into earthquake, as the yellow point illustrated. Transform fault boundaries are reverse fault, normal fault, and strike slip fault.